Spirit Tower information, Lima, 1954 Zulu, wind 310 at 16, gust 25. Visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 16, dew point -2, altimeter 3014. Bird advisory is in effect. Low level wind shear advisory is in effect.
Charlie is left downwind. We have the Challenger in sight. Runway 26 left, 6 Sierra Charlie.
Sierra Charlie, parking yellow ramp. Six Sierra Charlie, you can make the right turn Alpha 6, yellow ramp taxi via Alpha this frequency.
Alpha 6 Alpha, yellow ramp, and 6 Sierra Charlie, okay with you. 414 Echo Hotel, ready, 26 left, Alpha
1. 414 Echo Hotel, Spirit Tower, turn right on course, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 26 left, right on course, 414.
Good afternoon, Challenger number 309 Kilo Bravo, visual 26 left.
309 Kilo Bravo, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, place to land 9 Kilo Bravo.
Sierra 9 Kilo Bravo, where are you parking?
Signature for 9 Kilo Bravo.
Sierra 9 Kilo Bravo, you can make the right turn your discretion. Signature taxi via Alpha this frequency.
Right turn our discretion. Signature via Alpha with you on 9 Kilo Bravo.
Kilo Bravo, did you have any wind shear on final?
Good afternoon, 9 Kilo Bravo.
Roger, thanks.
Good afternoon, Rockfish 54 and 53 is on the visual 26 left.
Fish 54, 53, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, 54, 53.
53, right turn Alpha 8 and 444 taxi via Alpha this frequency.
Say, crew check 575.
575, roger, base to follow that traffic. Runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2.
And number 2, following traffic, crew check 575.
Air 575, right turn Alpha 6 and taxi the parking via Alpha this frequency. Sierra Hotel, turn left on course, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Left on course, clear for takeoff, 26 left, 50 Hotel. All right, you ready? Here.
101, runway 26 left, line climb up and wait.
Alright, 26 left, line up and wait, Spirit 101.
Jet 101, fire runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, Spirit 101.
Jet 101, contact St. Louis departure, safe flight.
Jet 101, see ya.
St. Louis approach, Rockfish, or Spirit Tower, Rockfish 4357 on the visual, 26 left.
4357, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, we're going to land.
And 26 left, Rockfish 4357.
Fish 4357, right turn Alpha 8, taxi to parking Alpha this frequency.
Alpha 8 to parking this frequency, Rockfish 4357.
341, Spirit Tower, you ready to go?
We're ready.
Jet 341, roger, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, let's go.
341, contact St. Louis departure, have a good flight.
Thank you, Flight 341, we'll see you later.
01 Whiskey, runway 26 left, cleared to land, and traffic is a Phenom departing ahead of your arrival.
Left, clear to land, we got that traffic inside 01 Whiskey.
One Whiskey, turn right at Alpha 5, then contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, 01 Whiskey.
Spink 1, visual 26 left.
Spink 1, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land, Commerce Spink 1.
Turn right at Alpha 8, taxi straight ahead to parking. Remain this frequency if you're looking for your outbound, just contact clearance.
Tower, Commerce Spink 1, wait for departure, runway 26 left.
And Commerce Spink 1, Spirit Tower, just waiting IFR release. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, Commerce Spink 1. Contact St. Louis departure, have a good flight. Departure, Commerce Spink 1, have a great night.
Spirit Tower 538 Mike's on the visual 26 left.
538 Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 26 left, 38 Mike.